Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform this men's shirt to this. It can be worn in three ways: this, and then you can also wear it like this, and then you can also wear it like this. Let's jump right into the video. This was what the shirt looked like. It looks so boring, unflattering. No, we're going to transform this to look chic. We're going to transform this to look flattering, to look very nice. So let's just begin this project. This is the shirt. Here I'm just using my piece of chalk to mark out where I would like to trim out. So I'm just using my piece of chalk to mark out a little above the collar. And then I'm using my scissors to cut out where I marked out with my piece of chalk. So I'm just following the line where I marked out to cut it out. And then this is what it looks like after I cut it out. And then also I'm going to cut out the sleeve. Here I'm just cutting out the sleeve cuffs for both of the sleeves. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and sew this round. I'll sew both sleeves round. It should look like this after sewing it round. I just used about 1 inch to sew it round for the both sleeve. Next, I'm just cutting out about 2 inches from the bottom. If you like yours to be shorter, you can cut more than 2 inches. I just like the length at which the top is. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew this down too. I'll sew it round. I'm going to sew it round with about 1 inch. I'll be doing same for the top too. I'll be sewing it with about 1 inch round. This is what it should look like after sewing it. So I just sew it round already. The one I cut out from the bottom earlier, I'm going to sew this into a rope. This is what it looks like after sewing. Actually, I made so many, both for the sleeve and for the top and bottom. So I'm attaching this with a safety pin around the sleeve for the shorter ropes. After attaching it to the sleeve, it should look like this. And then I'm going to show you guys how I attach this. Just grab your safety pin and attach it to the rope, and then just pass it around as you can see me doing. So I'm passing it around the bottom of the shirt now. I'll also do same for the top. So that's how I pass it through both of the sleeves too. So it's just as easy as that. Next, I'm attaching it to the top of the shirt, so I'm just grabbing my safety pin and attach it to the rope and then pass it through. And this is the final outcome. So you can decide to just wear it just like this, or you could take off the rope and decide to wear it in another way. So you can take off the rope and decide to wear it like this, just like this. Or you could just take the rope and then tie it around your waist. Comment down below which style do you prefer, style 1, style 2 or style 3. Please let me know in the comment section. Actually, this style is my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.